Hello there, hope everybody's doing well and you're having a great Saturday. Hope everybody's happy about the election results, or at least not too sad. So moving on for that, let's get back down to business here. So I got something cool in the mail today and I'm going to show it to you guys. If you guys happen to be holster makers yourselves, or you're learning to make holsters, if you get to the point where you start making a lot of production stuff, it's really good to get dies made. So for example, like this is a die I have for the Cyclops outside the waistband holster. I have it for all of my Bond Arms stuff, all the Bond Arms sizes. That way you can make them uniform and the same every single time. You click them out on a press like this. This is a clicker press. That's a different story for a different tool. If you are in the market for a clicker press and you're not doing little tiny wallets or anything like that, definitely get the biggest one you can afford, because this one works, but the other one would definitely be a better option. So moving on, there's this awesome company I order my dies from called Policy Customs. See that? Hold on. Policy Customs, they're in Georgia. Great place. They got a Facebook page, all that stuff. Go check them out. They're great people. They had a die set on sale. They actually had two that I got. So one of them, let's check out the first one. On here. What is that? It's a cookie cutter. That's kind of what they look like, but it's hard to tell from this picture here, but I went and cut some out of scrap. This is what it'll cut out. And what it is a knife sheath. Sits like this. It's going to have one belt loop here, one belt loop here, and then your knife would sit, that one's might be a little big for this one, but your knife would sit there like so. So I made these in the past before, but I never had a die set made for it, and he had one on sale. Had to grab it. He makes them with or without belt slots. I chose to do without, that way I can adjust. Somebody wants smaller or larger. Got it covered. The next one I did was his wallet set. So you got the outer pockets, the t-shirts, and the main base. So how this goes, I'm gonna make one of these. This is just scrap. I just testing it out. But what you do is, you know, t-shirt like so. T-shirt, front piece. Now you got two you didn't even see nothing. I'm not a very good videographer. I apologize, but that's why you guys love me. Anyway, that's how it would sit. You got one pocket here, one pocket there, so it would hold two card wads. You can sew them both directly together. If you leave the opening here, you would end up having a space in between here to put some cash. You can have it on both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and build this and probably do a video Monday, Tuesday. I don't think I'm gonna do one tomorrow, but so you guys can see what they look like, the final product. I'm basically letting you guys know that I'm gonna have these clicked out kits are gonna be on the website pretty soon, probably around Christmas time. What a clicked out kit is, if you ordered this, it'll be undyed leather though, and you'd get one of each, and you can build your own holster. You can build your own knife sheath. So I think that'd be a really cool idea. I'm gonna try to find somebody to do a really nice plan so you can kind of get a blueprint of how it goes together, but I'm also going to do a video for each one on how they go together. So stay tuned for that, and hope you guys think it's as cool as I do. Thanks for watching.